leader
will not say something if it will hurt the other person's feelings.
Shows good examples to others.
A good leader
Is responsible. Helps people be kind and respectful.
Respects the four golden rules of school.
Here are some famous leaders. President Barack Obama. Gandhi.
Martin Luther King Jr.
A good leader
Doesn't get in trouble. Helps others.
A good leader
Gives a good speech.
Does not break school rules.
Respects others.
A good leader
Shows how to practice being a good person.
Cares about everyone's feelings.
Is quiet in the halls.
Who are we? Leaders. Who are we? Leaders. Who are we? Leaders.
A good leader
Shouldn't make a lot of mistakes.
Tell somebody the right thing.
Is responsible.
A good leader
Does all the 7 habits of good leadership.
Helps people do what they may not know how to do.
Respect others.
Mr. Hetland asks us
To be good leaders of the school.
A good leader
Won't get in trouble.
Always shares their supplies.
listens to others.
A good leader
Doesn't learn in the hall.
Helps make a better school or community. Respects and help others.
Give me an L.
L.
Give me an E.
E.
Give me an